Hi guys, I'm Michelle. So today I'm going to show you how I made this really cute cake stand, and it was from using two items from Dollar Tree. So just stay tuned to see how I made this. Okay, so these are the items you're going to need: a hot glue gun if you want it to be semi-permanent, E6000 if you want it to be permanent, painter's tape, a plate from Dollar Tree, a basket from Dollar Tree, and that's it. That's all you need. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and remove the sticker off the bottom of the plate. It's a little hard to get off. So I just sprayed some warm water and soap, and I'm just using a craft stick to scrape it off. I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Okay, so I'm just doing this for video purposes because I don't want it to be permanent. I'm just using hot glue. But if you want it to be permanent for an event, you would use E6000. So I'm just going to flip the basket over and place it on the plate exactly where I want it. And once I get it to where I want it, I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my painter's tape. Now this is definitely needed if you use the E6000, just to make sure it doesn't move while it's drying. So if you use the E6000, let it dry at least 12 hours before removing the tape. And that's it. We're done. A quick and easy cake stand. I baked myself a cake from scratch, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I kind of need a cake stand. I bought this plate because I knew that I would just put my cake on there and just take a picture of it that way. But these are so cute, and I just bought like 4 of these just to use, like put miscellaneous things in it. This, you can do so much with these. Like I could think of so many DIY projects to do with just these little things right here. These little baskets. But yeah, they're so cute. And yeah, so when I saw this, I had this plate, and it just gave me the idea, like, oh my gosh, I can make my own cake stand with this. But yeah, so very, very affordable, $2, $2, and then you gotta pay for the glue. If you use a hot glue or E6000, But that's nothing if if you're having a huge event. It's nice to have your stuff looking nice. Even you don't have to spend a lot to be creative and make things look really nice. So yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like videos like this, and subscribe.